In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Google Meet. So there's no option available to directly change your name on Google Meet, but because Google Meet is linked to your actual Google account, there's still a way to fix this, and that's by changing the name of your actual Google account. So for that, you want to go to your own Google account. So go to myaccount.google, then go to personal info, click on name, and then right there you can change your first name and last name. And by doing that, you're actually able to change your name on Google Meet as well, because like I said, Google Meet is linked to your Google account. You don't have to separately create an account for Google Meet, and that's because it's linked to your actual account. So if you change the name over here, it will also change on Google Meet. So yeah, if you appreciate this quick fix, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. And then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.